Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the applications of turning effect of force. First one is, it is easier to unscrew a nut tightly fitted to a bolt with a wrench having a long arm. In this diagram, the fixed point is here and the force is applied here at the other end. So the distance is more, therefore it is easy to tighten or unscrew the nut. So it depends upon the distance between the pivot and the force applied. Open or close a door by applying force. It is easiest to open or close a door by applying force at the edge of the plank of the door. So in this diagram, the door is fixed at this end and the force is applied here. So the distance between the fixed point and the force applied is more. Therefore, it is easy to open the door. In this case, the door is fixed at this end and the force is applied here. The distance is very less. So it is difficult to open the door. A hand flour grinder. A hand flour grinder is moved by applying force at its handle. So this is the fixed point and the force is applied at this point. So distance is more, so it is easy to move the grinder. Steering wheel. A driver turns steering wheel of a car by applying force at its rim. So here again, this is the fixed point and this is the rim on which the driver places his hands and moves it. So it becomes easy for him by applying less force. Opening the lid of a container. It is easy to open the lid of a container with a spoon rather than a coin, because the spoon has a long handle and the distance between the fixed point and the place where the person applies the force is more. But if you take a coin, the distance is very small, so it becomes difficult. So it is easier to open the lid of a container using a spoon. Exercise. So whatever is taught today and in the previous class, the exercise is to complete in your copy. First question, answer the following questions. First, list a few effects of force. So here S is missing. So list a few effects of force. Second, give 4 applications of turning effects of force. Give 4 applications. Again here S is missing. Give 4 applications of turning effects of force. Third, what happens if a force is applied to a body which is not free to move but pivoted to a point? Question number 4, explain the terms force and moment of force. Question number 5, differentiate between force and moment of force. 6, discuss the factors on which the moment of force depends upon. Question 7, it is easier to open a closed door by applying force at the edge of the door. Give reason. So hope you are completing your work in your copy as well as revising it every now and then. Thank you and God bless you.